is a tour of the Kittrus Avenue Rail Crossing in Crystal River, Florida. This crossing is owned by the Florida Northern Railroad. Yep, there's the relay case there. This is also County Road 495. Her stop both symbols at Progress Rail bases, West County speed mechanisms, West County's side-mounted mechanical bells, then West County's LEDs. I guess. Oh yeah, this crossing might be unused since the track comes really overgrown. So I don't think this crossing's used, and these are actually newer signals for some reason. So that was a video of a tour video of the unused Kittrus Avenue Rail Crossing in Crystal River, Florida. Over and out.